everybody, today I'm gonna show you this makeup tutorial, how I do it. I hope you enjoy it. Step 1. You take a brown eyeliner and do it around your eyes, just like I do. Step 2. Take a brush and blend everything. After the blending, I take my white 7-bead earth palette. And now I take this color. Now I blended it over my eyelid. Now I take my Maybelline Mustard Aroma liquid liner and make a very thin line. Now I curl my lashes. I use Glam & Doll waterproof mascara from Catrice Cosmetic. So, we finished!